Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading here. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video. Things are very busy in the month of December for me and my family and my business. So I haven't been able to get on here, but I feel like this morning, right before I got my daughter on the bus, I saw this crazy momentum that we're seeing this morning. Now, we currently have four stocks up over 100%. Whenever that happens, you know that the momentum is incredible in the market. So, when you have that many stocks going up that much, how do you know which ones to trade? Because that's really, really important. I'm going to go through exactly what I was looking at 7 a.m. Now, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when my platform opens. Other platforms are open before that, but a lot of the volume will come in after 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, these were the stocks up over 100%. They currently still are up over 100%, with some of them going down when the market opened, when the pre-market opened for me at 7. And the one that I decided to trade was the one that was going up. Now, how did I know or have a feeling that PRFX, which is currently at the top of the pre-market scanner, was the one that was going to be going up? Now, not all the time this is going to happen, but what I really like to look at, the most important thing for me, is what is the company's float? That is really important. I like trading stocks that have a very low float. By a low float, I mean less shares currently available to buy and sell. If there's a low amount of shares available and a lot of volume and attention on that stock, there's a good possibility that that is going to provide a lot of volatility, right? Because there's a small, tiny little supply and there's a ton of trading, a lot of volume, buying that little supply. So you're going to see some really big moves. Now, if you have a company that has a very high float, they're going to be moving a lot slower because now you have a very big ocean of supply, right? And, the volume could still be decent, but you have a lot of it to move around. So you're going to see some smaller, some grinding type of moves. I like the big volatile moves where in just a couple of seconds, you could make a lot of money instead of waiting a bunch of minutes or even hours for a stock to move as much as we see some of these really small floats move. All right. So, like, you're never going to see a stock like Apple going up 200% in a day. It's just not going to happen. If it went up 2%, that would be a big move for Apple, but we can't trade that. We can't scalp that for a couple of pennies looking for some huge moves. All right. So, why PRFX? Well, I'm looking at the time CURR was at the top. And if we just click on that, you can see that's gone nowhere. APCX at 7 a.m. was going down also. XHG, also up a lot pre-market, was also going down. Why was PRFX going up? Because a lot of other day traders, like what I'm looking at, see that the float is extremely low. We're under 1 million in the float for that stock. CURR, Thinkorswim's got about 46 million, too big for me. 27 million for APCX, too big, and 132 million for XHG. Now, also, most of these companies do not have any fresh news. That's also something that I hate is when a company does not have any news and it's just up over 200% with no news. So you have to be careful trading that. But when you have a clear one like PRFX, the lowest float, and it was up over 100% at the time, and it was also over VWAP. That's also important. Now on the 1 minute chart, 7 a.m., you're right here at VWAP, still holding over it. And then on the 5 minute, had a great 5-minute setup. First 5-minute candle, make a new high, and then it just ripped after that. I missed out on this huge move as I was with my daughter at the bus stop at the time, but I did take a little bit of this at 7 a.m. for a small profit, got 10 cents for $40 of profit. Now, the other ones you can see here, CURR, was under VWAP, did not like that. Also, APCX under VWAP, didn't like that. VWAP is just the volume weighted average price, but a lot of traders will look at that for strength, a signal of strength. Also, the fourth stock over 100% was under VWAP. Clear one to trade was PRFX. Nice chart, stair stepping up. Now, these purple lines up here, they were previous levels that I had already put out from another time trading this stock. I must have traded PRFX before. And these were some of those levels. And you can see it kind of hit these levels and then pulled on back. So it's good to have them on your chart from previous technical analysis. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to come on here really quick. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to respond to all my comments. Like I said, I've been very busy, but I hope that things start to slow down and I could get on here more, give you guys some, education if I can. And, hopefully that works out. I hope everybody has a great holiday week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit the thumbs up and I will see you on the next one. Take care, guys.